What's up, you guys? Welcome to Farming Simulator 22. Today, we are going to be playing some old tractors again. But today there's gonna be I'm gonna bring in a new tractor with a bigger planter for one of my bigger fields. So as we are harvesting, that will be planting our field. Nine. I would have to wait to load, but I believe it's 96. I believe, but anyway, I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. But anyway, so while we're waiting for it to load, hope everybody's doing good. If you want to, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below how well this video is. I also do, besides Farming Simulator, I do American Truck Simulator, I do Car Mechanic Simulator, I do lots of other simulators too. So, yeah, if you want me to see me play something else, then yeah, leave it in the comments. And I'm not gonna say I probably won't do it right away, but yeah, but yep. So while waiting for this to load up. So, and I'm gonna apologize that Harvester is a little bit loud, and I promise you, I have it on the volume for the tractors. The volume is actually low, so it's just the way how the modder made it that the harvester is that loud. So anyway, here we go. We're going in. It's a little bit nighttime here. Yeah. So let's get the harvester going. Okay, he's full. So we're going to do some night harvesting right now. Let me. Okay, there's the tractor. I have to get everything out of the field here on 94. Sorry guys, I had it wrong. So it was 94. So we're taking this auger wagon over to the combine so it can continue on, and I will be using Courseplay on this. And yeah, it's I like Courseplay because then you can do something then like the AI can be doing the combining while you are doing something else. And I like that, and I don't mind karting. It's actually I like to do karting, so which is that's turned like auger wagon to trailer. So, and then taking the trailers to where it needs to. So right now we're harvesting wheat. And I am not putting it on swath mode because swath mode. Sorry, I'm a little bit starting today, but swath mode. And yeah, because reasons why AI just don't like to just pick it up, and I prefer it this way. So yeah, okay. Put it under there, and I believe that's good. Keep it on there. Put it on delete. And then when it's ready to go, I'll and I'm just gonna tell you guys right now. Some of these mods are privately owned, or as I could say, I do not own the mods. I don't own any of these mods. So the reason why I say privately owned is that some other person created this mod and it's not on ModHub. So that's why I say that some mods may be private, to where I got them from, let's say, off of a guy from Facebook page, or I might have got them off of a site, and just because I Google it and found out which site it is. And so yeah, I'm just letting you guys know, so don't go crazy in the comments saying where do you get this mod, because I will not respond to those, because yeah, I don't mean to sound mean, it's just yeah, I could if I would list every mod down here in the description, then it would be just crazy. So yep, I'm gonna be doing something here, just making sure that I'm still recording. Yep, okay, I'm still recording. So yep, okay, and here we go. Have to put the delete again. There's the combine. Also, just to let you know, you have to, when you're setting up a course, you have to press the delete button to bring up the course, then press the delete button again so you can use the camera. So, yep. So it is on its 4th round, so. And I found there's a truck over here that needs to be, yep, not this one. Even though I will be taking that one over. And this is the gravity wagon. Okay. Here. Gonna take the grain truck to the silo. Like I said, this is wheat, and yeah, we got a lot to do, and yeah, it's not gonna be probably, this is probably gonna just be a part 1 process, but I will skip it forward a little bit to morning, so I can show you guys what the what I have for that field 94 there to start planting. So I'm not going to be using my my planter. I will be leasing out one to be used to get the stuff done. Up, went a little bit back there. Yeah, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, please. And put a comment down if you want to. Okay, that's done. And I'm not using seasons on here. Preferably, I do not like using seasons, but I know some people do, and that's good. I mean, yeah. Oh! And of course, anybody who knows me knows I can't drive very well when it comes to simulations. So, okay, yep. Farmhouse is just up here. Run in. Put my light on. Right up here. I'm gonna put it at 7 o'clock. So like I said, this will be probably a part 1 of harvesting wheat. But also it'll be planting, it'll be also planting a field yet, so. Since it's still early. Yep, got to use my blinkers there. Yep, wrong one. It's the next field over. So, yeah, I started to do live streams like this, but then I was like, let's switch over to video, see what happens there. So, one thing you gotta remember about this grain truck, and I seen this on 17, but or not on 17, Farming Simulator 19. That if you leave the gravity wagon on, the grain cart will not, or the grain truck's bed will not dump. So I don't know if that's a realistic thing, since I'm not a farmer myself. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, let's get this thing fired up. I like my video a little bit out, my camera view a little bit out. I'm actually going to go in first person here and pull up my map. Okay. Sorry, yeah, I didn't know that the harvester was all the way up here. There, as you see, there's a tractor with a gravity wagon too, so. And this is the map is a private mod too that you can I believe you can find it on Mod Hub. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where I got it. I believe it was off Mod Hub, but I'm not sure. So let's see how much I can get up. How far off was I? Okay, while he's pouring into there, I'm going to start moving more stuff out of here. And over to the next field. I would love to put in corn since this was soybeans. Since this was soybeans, I would love to put in corn. So yeah, we'll see about it. Okay, that's that. Where's this? Okay, that's that. Oh, sorry. Okay, got that full, but first I am going to get this other. Huh. I could have sworn I had another truck there. Okay, let's go in here. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I'm just imagining things. Okay, cars. No, it's not in there. Would be trucks. Okay, I just have two of them. Okay, never mind. Sorry about that. So I'm going to get. This is off. That's okay there. I'm gonna see if there's anything else in that field. Sorry, we are in a save mode. Usually takes a while to save it. So, is that the only vehicle I believe out there? I believe so. I'm not sure. I'm going to be taking this over to the next field since it is fuel. Since it is fuel, I will have to take it over there. Okay. in there. It's a little bit dark. Yep, on one. So, yep, as we're driving here, we're going to be taking this truck over here, over to the wheat. Just going to park it here a little bit. Park it over here. And I'm gonna go and get the planter I was thinking about getting. I hope it's no-till, but if it's not, then see there. Okay, it's not no-till. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I don't think it is. I don't think it. Actually, that one isn't. Oh, okay, I was wrong. This is no-till, but I am looking at this. Okay. This is 17.8. 17.8. Okay, nothing major different. Okay, get the 15.6. Yes. Yes. All set for. So buy. So that's gonna take 250 kilowatts, 340 horsepower. So I'm gonna probably put 350. Okay, those can pull it, but I might be going for overkill here. Actually, did I lease that or did I buy that? Okay, I didn't buy it or lease it, I believe. Nope. Okay, I didn't lease it. So anyway, I am going with since it's gotta be on tracks. I'm gonna use this 940 6220 RX, and we're gonna lease that, and then we're gonna go over to the planter. John Deere planter. It's a 1775 NT 2022 John Deere planter. And I might I'm probably gonna just use autofill on this just to fill it up. See how brighter that is compared to the old ones. So just use F12 here. Fuel vehicle. Okay. Seats. F12. Vehicle. Okay, fertilizer. Got everything in there. It's got liters. So I'm gonna be driving this down the road. Probably normally you wouldn't do this, but that's what I'm doing with it. Now I'm gonna put on my beacon lights, my four-ways here. This is how the 9RX quad track is. Very spacious. Of course, I'm gonna have to set up a course for this, but yeah. As you can see, I'm almost not comfortable with driving inside, but you know, it's something that I'm trying to get used to. So this, you know, okay. So, yeah. As you know, I'm a huge John Deere fan. Yeah, like I said, I was never a farmer myself, but yeah, grew up seeing John Deere. Yeah. So, on my case, probably occasionally I will bring a case on the farm, but yeah. Unless I absolutely have to. Now I know I just made some case fans mad right there, but I'm just joking around. I mean, the words of the millennial farmer, what the heck is that thing when it comes to case? Yeah. If you want to check out real farming. I will, yeah, Millennial Farmer is a good person to go to. He also is he's also a YouTuber just like me, but yeah. And if you love case, then Welker's Farm is a good place to go to. That's another YouTuber farmers that, yeah. Okay, now let's hope I swing this thing far over. Looks like I just got an achievement. Or something. I don't know. yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be doing this video a little bit, and we're gonna be mostly on the planting side. We're gonna be planting corn for most sides, and yeah, it's yeah, I want to say that my small planter could handle this, but yeah, I mean it's too big of a field. It would take me forever to plant, just like it's gonna probably take me forever to get harvesting done. You know, but all in all, I plan to upgrade pretty soon. Get rid of the old combines and go up with a little bit of brand more of the newer versions. But yeah. So there's your gas. If you ever are, if you ever play on this map, there's a gas station on over here to the left, and after this, you take a right here, and then you know that you're going to go towards your farm, and so that's one good way to know if you ever play this map. There's my old, it's one of the old tractors that has a front loader on it. Okay. Okay, let's get the tractor in here. This is the field that we're going to do. I try to get out as you can see, I'm a horrible driver. But I think that should be lined up enough to where it should take everything. So I go into delete, and then go into I usually go with nearest waypoint. So 51.8 feet, multiple tools, number of headlands. For this one, it's got to be 1. So I work on headland, corners, sharp. I love sharp. Rows per land. So it looks like everything is good. Okay, Okay, I think I did it right. Okay, I may have done that one wrong. So, let me get this out here. Up and down. Okay. Okay, that looks more like it. Okay. So, then I go over to here, starting stop only. Everything here is good. Okay. Okay, that's not it. That's not it either. Cedar activated. Yeah. So that, okay, and I think we are ready to start the job. Sorry it took me a little bit long. Okay. Okay, I don't know what the heck it's doing. I'm not sure what it's doing, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Apparently something's not working right. Yeah, I apologize for this, guys. It started doing it, but I don't know why it stopped. I don't know. Now it's doing it the right way. I was supposed to. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting this a little bit set up just to make sure it works right. And I'll get you over to, once I know it works right, then I'm... Okay, it looks like it's going to be doing everything right from now on. I hope. Okay. Now. Hopefully it doesn't take long, but, you know, it might. And if it does, then I'm going to make it a part 2 series. So, anyway, we got to dump this out and then go unload the hopper. Sorry for the glitching. So this gravity wagon, I believe, is almost full. So I'm just going to top it off and then move on to the trucks down here. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take it down to the trucks. Okay, that's full. Now we're going to take So like I said, yeah, this will be part one um, of planting, or of harvesting and planting. So if you want me to do seasons, then I'll be more than happy to. Just let me know. Go over here to the truck. Back up to about here. Go, that's filling up. Gonna go check on who knows, we might get planting done yeah, so we're gonna get planting done probably next time. So I was just wondering yeah, what time it was of recording. So and as I'm recording this, this probably won't be released the same day that I got recorded. So we'll be shutting down this recording for this will, like I said, this is the part one series. So yeah. So I will continue with the outlining. So till next time, I will see you guys again. So peace out. Peace out. Enjoy and have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Peace out.